Shefali Chariwala's death. What a shocker it was for all of us. A 42-year-old woman, they say, died of cardiac arrest, or she had epilepsy. And what is more shocking to me is, like, they said she was taking injections for, being more fair, or all those things. So it's really and she took it on empty stomach, and that's how they had lower blood pressure and cardiac arrest. That's what I've been hearing, that what's happening. But what shocks me is, because nowadays in the media world, or generally because of social media or whatever we are going through, it's like people are so obsessed with being physically, so every time everyone has to look physically good. Yes, if in the media line you have to, but not to this extent. The message I'm trying to convey is that accept yourself, and be happy the way you are. And yes, make lifestyle changes, improve food habits, exercise. Automatically your skin will be better and you will see the difference, because I'm talking through experience. I was a cancer survivor, and I made a lot of lifestyle changes, exercise, and my full regime changed. So it's very important to do these things, because it's quite a shocker. Nowadays so many people are dying 40 of heart attacks, and some people, it came in the papers, 15-year-old are getting diabetes. And also children. First, I remember 20-30 years back, kids never had such thick glasses, but because of so much of TV or mobiles and all, 6-year-old kids, 7-year-old kids are getting such thick glasses. So it's really shocking that these things are happening, and we are giving so much importance to physical appearance. Like, for example, in India they say should have fair skin, but if you go abroad they prefer dark and wheaty skin. So every country and every culture has their own way of color, and also we shouldn't be so obsessed with skin and our looks. Yeah, I'm not saying that don't be presentable and just be haphazard and don't dress up well. Yes, be presentable, but more important than external, I believe, is your internal. Your internal should be free. You should not have when you don't forgive someone, you get angry so much, automatically it does affect your health and immune system. They say 1 minute of anger, it like your immune system can, like, actually it makes a lot of difference. Your immune system becomes really weak when we become angry, or we are stressed and all. It actually matters a lot. And when we laugh and really let go of our stress and tension, it does automatically, you'll see a change in your health and immune system. And as they say, laughter is the best medicine. But because of the rat race world, and we want to achieve certain things in life, and we get stressed, and the daily life challenges. Yes, I'm not saying it's easy, but what are we doing to de-stress? What are we doing about mental health? Hi everyone, I'm Natasha Advani, a internationally certified life coach, trainer, and a wellness coach, and a improvisational dance expert, and a best-selling author. My book I had released in Corona, From Mess to Mesmerized, where it's again talking about case studies on people who are going through a lot of stress and a lot of things, and how this technique, like, these techniques which I used help them to de-stress. So my message to you is just don't take any of these, don't do it. Like many people who to reduce their fat, cut themselves, or they do no job or something. It's really affecting your health and your your full body. It does affect, because if you're cutting any part of your body doesn't like it. Of course, in extreme cases of surgery and all, the health conditions, it has to be done. But for beautification or cosmetic, so many cosmetic creams and these lipsticks has so many chemicals. I know someone who got cancer by just putting deodorant. The amount of chemicals are there in the creams and in the makeup, and also just be aware. I'm not saying like don't do anything, but I guess a balance is very important. So thank you so much for listening to me, and please forward this video to your family and friends so that they also get aware of what is happening. And for more details, you can check out my website www.natashaadvani.com, where I'm a dance expert, where I teach dance, improvisational dance to de-stress, and it really benefits a lot in the body. I also do art healing, where sometimes people are not very expressive through words, so they like doing art, and they release their anger, stress, and a lot of things happen in my workshops. So looking forward of seeing you someday, and please have a look at my website. Thank you.